News just coming in. Chief Minister of Haryana has now reached the residence of Sandeep Lathar. Sandeep Lathar's video, the suicide video, or his last video is what we just put out for you. He killed himself after making allegations against the deceased IPS and alleging that there were corruptions when the deceased IPS was the IG of Rohtak. Sandeep Lathar worked with the cyber police of Rohtak, and now that he's killed himself, the Chief Minister has reached his residence. Anshul Singh, in fact, is joining us live from Rohtak. Anshul, is the family now willing to cremate? Are they expecting any kind of assurance from the Chief Minister?
Well, it remains to be seen what kind of a conversation will happen between the Chief Minister and the family of ASI Sandeep. But at this point in time, the impasse continues. Even as we are speaking, the CM is trying to convince the entire family that they allow the legal procedures of post-mortem to happen, and then eventually the last rites should also happen. I'll just try and show you in the visuals over here. The mother of Sandeep, ASI Sandeep, has just gone inside the house to meet the Chief Minister of Haryana. The Chief Minister of Haryana is trying to make sure that somewhere or the other, this impasse that has happened between the administration and the family, this could end. But the family is very, very adamant. They continue to maintain that until and unless the wife of IG Puran Kumar is not arrested, till then they will not allow the last rites or cremations to happen. They say that the person who built pressure on him, the person who was trying to make sure that he divulges from the entire investigation, was actually the wife of YS Puran Kumar. And specifically after the DGP was also sent on leave and the SP Rohtak was also transferred, his confidence came down and was actually very, very troubled over the last 3 to 4 days. Now finally he decided to go ahead and take this decision that he'll make a video, write a suicide note, and then kill himself, trying to give out a larger message of how there is a massive rot, alleged massive rot in the Haryana police. But these two cases that have come up have definitely raised a lot of questions on the functioning of Haryana police over here in Haryana. It remains to be seen if the Chief Minister would be able to convince the entire family to let the legal procedures continue. But the manner in which the family is adamant, they are not ready to budge down at any point in time. It remains to be seen what kind of assurances will be given by the Chief Minister once he comes out. We are expecting a sound bite to be given from him. Will that be given? What are the kind of assurances that have been given? That is something that we'll have to wait and watch.
Anshul, what are the family members or people who were close to the deceased policeman saying? What could have been the immediate provocation? Was it the fact that Shatrujit Singh Kapoor was sent on leave?
Well, yes, these 2 points were very, very important in this entire decision that was taken by ASI Sandeep. The first one is that the DGP was sent on forced leave, and the second one that the SP Rohtak was also transferred, because in fact, even in his video, he said that these two people were actually working to eradicate corruption. They were specifically about Neeraj Bhavania, who was in fact the SP of Rohtak. The ASI in his video has said that he was one person who wanted to control the corruption situation over here. And specifically over the last 4 to 5 days, the allegation is that there was a lot of pressure on him to do away with this entire investigation and not to take the investigation forward, so that the ADG, the late ADG, could also be implicated, and that pressure eventually led to him carrying out such a massive step. So all these things have come to the fore, but things would only clear up after detailed investigation, and that could only start once the post-mortem of the victim is done. That is once the post-mortem of ASI Sandeep is done. Will that be done today? Will the CM be able to go ahead and convince the family? That is something that we'll have to wait and watch.
Right. Thanks for that, Anshul. We'll come back to you as soon as the Chief Minister comes out and briefs the media. But this matter has become unfortunate. It's also politically laden. All sides from the opposition have been attacking the Naib Singh Saini government on this issue. Let's listen in to the reactions that have come in on this story.
बड़ी दुख की बात है कि एक आईएएस परिवार जिनके साथ इतना धक्का हो रहा है, एक आईएएस ऑफिसर, वो भी आईपीएस ऑफिसर, वो आईजी रहे हों, एक जूनियर ऑफिसर उनको इतना तंग कर रहा था, और डीजीपी से लेकर आज तक किसी ने कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया। इसका मतलब है कोई बड़ी ताकत बचाने की लगी है। पर हरियाणा की सरकार कुछ नहीं कर रही।
सरकारी ऑफिसर हैं और चीफ मिनिस्टर ने इनको कमिटमेंट दिया है, पर्सनली कमिटमेंट दिया है कि वो कार्रवाई शुरू करेंगे। 3 दिन पहले कहा था, अगर आप दलित हो आपको दबाया जा सकता है, आपको कुचला जा सकता है, आपको फेंका जा सकता है, और ये हमारे लिए एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। तो मेरा मैसेज है एज एलओपी टू प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, टू चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ हरियाणा, आपने इन 2 बेटियों को जो कमिटमेंट दिया है इसको आप पूरा कीजिए।
कहीं ना कहीं इस घटना ने समाज की उन कुरीतियों को उजागर करने का काम किया, जिसने ये दर्शाया कि आज भी 21वीं सदी में भी जात पात धर्म मजहब को लेकर किस तरीके से लोगों को प्रताड़ित किया जाता है। उनकी जाति के आधार पर उनके साथ भेदभाव किया जाता है। अपनी सरकार से ये विश्वास लेकर ये विश्वास दिलाने में आया हूँ परिवार को कि हर वो मांग जो परिवार रखता है वो पूरी की जाएगी और ये जल्द कार्रवाई होगी बिना किसी विलंब के।
हरियाणा में भी एनडीए की सरकार है, भाजपा की सरकार है और संवेदनशील है सरकार, और सरकार हर पहलू पे जांच करा रही है। जहां जहां भी कोई लिप्त है तो उसे सज़ा 100% दी जाएगी, क्योंकि डीजीपी पे भी आरोप लगे हैं, कहीं जांच को प्रभावित वो ना करें, इसलिए उनको छुट्टी पे भेज दिया गया है। पर एक बात मुझे इसमें कहनी है, राहुल गांधी जी जा रहे हैं, बहुत संवेदनशील मुद्दा है, ब्यूरोक्रेसी का मुद्दा है, इस पर राजनीति नहीं होनी चाहिए। बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर साहब के द्वारा, संविधान के द्वारा जो हम सांसदों के नियम और कानून बनाए गए, उसमें इस प्रक्रिया को बगैर राजनीति के चलने देना चाहिए।